Joe Beermaster, we have a cracked manifold from the Chevy Equinox. Doesn't matter what kind of car it is, sometimes these get cracked and they make a lot of noise. And they can be welded, or you can replace it. The crack runs right along there. You can weld it. The right thing is to replace it. But once the engine heats up, it tends to expand and stop leaking. So that's why you won't hear it, or it won't leak after the vehicle's warmed up. So we'll V that out a little bit and weld it so it goes halfway around. So this is cast metal, so before you weld it, you want to heat it up with a torch real hot,
Bend it up and get it out.
and then weld it. That's how it's done. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.